Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to backup and restore your games on Steam. So very simple and basic way. Click on Steam. Here is the option backup and restore games. Click on it. Now select backup currently installed programs. Then click on next. You can select any specific game and also you can backup your all games. Then click on next. You can select folder where you want to save, like desktop or any another program or any another folder. And also you can create a new folder. Then click on next. You can give the name backup file name here. You can check file size here, like CD or DVD. Then click on next. Now wait for few minutes till this process will complete. Now you will see backup is now complete. If you have a CD-R or DVD-R drive, you can use it to save your backup files. Use System's Backup and Restore wizard to restore your backup games. Just click on Finish. That's it. So this way guys, you can backup and restore your games on Steam. Once you need to restore, so again click here, backup and restore games, then select restore a previous backup, then next. Click on browse and find out, then next. Check this box if you want to create a desktop dash shortcut, and check this box if you want to create start menu shortcut, then next. So thanks for watching and please comment this video work for you or not.